There she is. Yummy for my what? Hey, everybody. You see that? You see that? You see this? I know. Thank you. Happy Saturday. What y'all cooking over there? He's in the background. Honey Bunch, say hi to the people. Oh, here he is. That's Honey Bunch.
You too much. Hey, he was that man.
What y'all cooking over there? Honey, stop rattling the bag, please. Thank you. I'm gonna make baked potatoes and I'm going to make, I got a chicken breast. I think I'm gonna stir fry it. So let me get started. Just remember, this is what we do where? Over here. Thank you very much. Y'all believe this is just one breast? All of that chicken? I feel like I use onions and peppers with everything. They gotta make another vegetable. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stir fry it and make some type of gravy. I haven't really decided yet. I might just, I don't even know what I want. I want to stir fry because it's more healthier. But ain't nothing like a good old piece of fried chicken. I don't know, let me think about it. Let me get my seasoning. I'm frying it. Sazon. A little bit of seasoning salt, not too much. My girlfriend said, you don't give the measurements. Okay, so 1 pack of sazon, a tablespoon of seasoning salt, another tablespoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of onion powder. That looked like it was a little more. And then a little bit, a half a teaspoon. Everything is a half a teaspoon. That's what it is. Thank you very much. And then I mix it. But first, let me crack an egg. Milk. I'm not using my potato slayer. I'm gonna use the usual. That much. This much. Avocado oil. How much? A half a teaspoon. Everything is going to be a half a teaspoon. Season it to your taste, to your likings. So it looks like it's mixed with seasoning. If it doesn't look like it, then it's not seasoned enough. See that? If you want more black pepper or more of something, add it. Season it to your own taste. I told you I was making a baked potato. So I got a little pot. Yes, still something about my pot. Thank you very much. So I'm using some Monterey Jack cheese, just a little bit. And I have some Velveeta and just a little bit. And I'm going to use some potato slayer. This is for my potato. So I'm gonna use cream. Oh, and I have some bacon in the oven for my toppings, for my baked potato. So we're gonna have the baked potato, the fried chicken, maybe a broccoli. Yeah, broccoli sounds good. I'll be back. Oh, y'all don't use old grease? Yeah, okay. Well, we do. Thank you very much. When I say old, I don't mean from last month. I mean the last time I cooked something that needed oil. So I don't want to hear y'all in the comments talking about her grease is nasty, because no, it's not. It's seasoned. Let me show y'all what Honey Bunch cooked for himself. Chicken necks. He can have that. And whoever else eat that, y'all can have that too. Flour. How much flour? So this is a soup spoon. So 3, maybe 4 soup spoons. Y'all know how to flour chicken. Come on. I don't have to tell y'all that. Y'all have seen it 1,000 times. Some corn starch to make it nice and crispy. How much? A tap. I like to use breadcrumbs. Some people season their flour. I use breadcrumbs to season my flour. Boom. I'm waiting on the grease to get hot. Did I shake this up properly? You didn't see me shake it, so here it is. I'm not making all of this chicken because I just showed y'all what he's going to be eating, those chicken necks. This is for me. My house guest is not going to eat this, so she has something else. And it's getting ready for the fryer. I'm cooking with gas in this kitchen. Okay, here's my cheese. This is for the baked potato. 2 types of cheeses and a little bit of seasoning. And she's almost ready. Boom. I'm cooking with gas with no brakes. All right, I didn't show y'all. Well, I was showing you when I put this down in the pan, but I had something else happening in the background, so y'all didn't see it. But there she is. I'm cooking with gas. It smells good in here. I'm just waiting on my baked potato. And that's all I'm going to have. The baked potato and the chicken. I'll be back. Ooh, ooh. I'm cooking with gas, with no brakes. You know you can't overcook a chicken breast because it'll be dry. So, she coming out. I'm going to fix up my my baked potato. And that's it. Okay, this is the last batch. Ooh. Got to be more careful. Oh, look how crispy. Look at that, look at that, look at that. See that? What y'all having over there? Ooh, let's look at this potato. How they do it? They just cut it a little bit, then they squeeze it open. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh yeah, I got something for you. I got the butter. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on, hold on. I'm making it nice and buttery. Let me get the cheese. I got the cheese. Ooh. Got to be what? More careful. Put that cheese down in there. That's how y'all do it? That's how y'all do it? Okay, hold on. One more thing. I got that crispy bacon. Boom. Yes, yes, yes. Should I put some cheese on my... I'll just put it on the side, just in case. I want my chicken cheesy. Okay, one more thing, one more thing. There she is. Yummy for my what? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for stopping by, subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I have a whole lot of fun. Until next time, yummy for my what? Yummy for my tummy.